above the trees, over the seas, in all degrees, to anywhere I please.
Hey everybody, it is the Wandering Moth video blog talking about my trip that I'm going to be taking to Europe very soon in 5 days. And I just posted a blog post. I will put a link to that in the bio. But I just did a blog post about all the different things that people ask me about when I tell them that I'm planning on traveling to Europe. So one of the things that I didn't list in there was talking about what is in my pack, what am I actually bringing with me, and I found that a lot of people just have no idea what they would bring, and when they find out what I'm bringing, they're like, holy crap, that's all you're bringing. So I wanted to kind of go over what it is that I'm bringing, and this is going to be 2 parts. So one of it's going to be clothing, and then the other part is going to be like electronics and things like that. So the first part for clothing, let me show you. So we have a jacket. This is just a thick, warm jacket. It is not waterproof. However, I do have an outer layer waterproof, windproof jacket that I think is going to really come in handy. I've tested it out already. It works fantastic. Anything that I have links for, by the way, guys. Okay, so anything that I have links for, if I've purchased it on Amazon, which most of my stuff I have, I will post links so that you can see exactly where I got that from. You can look at reviews from other people because I got a ton of this stuff on Amazon, which is really convenient. This, however, which it's all folded up nice and neat, and I really don't want to unfold it, but this is something that was custom made for me. It is basically like a half cowl jacket thing. It's really cool. I like it. And it's made specifically for me, really warm, by Elven Forest Creations. Then I also have this hat from Finley Hats. Let's see if I can put this on without looking ridiculous. Okay, I look ridiculous. But anyway, Finley Hats, flat brim hat. Can't speak today. It's got a strap on it, so if it's super windy, it's also water resistant. It's great. I love it. It fits great. Let's see what else. I've got a bandana. That's what that thing's called. I've also got a beanie to cover my ears, as well as like another headscarf thing. This is a scarf that has a hidden pocket in it. It's really nice. It also doubles as like a pillowcase if the pillow where you're sleeping is gross. This is a thermal long sleeve shirt. I've got some shower flip-flops that have holes in them. They're really easy to keep clean. They're like, I don't know, they're made for showering. Whatever. So then I also have a knit like overthrow thing. It's a little warm, but it's also fashionable. A tunic top, long sleeve, short sleeve black t-shirt, which is just casual, black skinny jeans. I've been told by so many people, bring a pair of black skinny jeans to Europe. You can dress them up anywhere, whatever. They're also really comfortable, I think, for like if you're just walking around town, whereas these 2 pairs of black leggings are more for hiking and doing things that are more active. A pair of black shorts, really pajama shorts, socks. So many socks. These are actually like warmers, but bunch of socks. They're all merino wool, which is supposed to be like moisture wicking, supposed to make your feet not smell really bad. So look into that. I've got thick pairs of underwear. These are actually period panties. I think they're called Thinks. So they're called Thinks. These are ex officio. I also have another black pair. I'm wearing them right now. Hand warmers. I don't like gloves because then they block your fingers. Whatever. I don't like it. I've got 2 black sports bras, a black tank top with a camisole in it, and then sunglasses and whatever these things are called, shoe inserts. I am also wearing one of the outfits that I'm going to be wearing in Europe. So this is like a black tunic tank top with those like black leggings that have the mesh in them. It goes all the way down. It's kind of dark, so you can't really see it. But that's it. That's everything. That is all the clothes that I am bringing with me. And some people like freak out when they see that that's what I'm bringing. But honestly, with the color scheme that I'm going with, obviously it's this like blue, teal, gray, black kind of color scheme that I'm going with. Everything fits with everything else. It's easy to make a bunch of different outfits. I've honestly got like 10 different outfits throughout all this. And my backpack matches all of it, which really doesn't matter, but I just like it. I'm gonna make a separate video of all the techie items that I have, so I will tell you all the different bath items that I have, all my toiletries, all the electronics that I'll be bringing, my compression cubes, if you've never heard of those before. So I'll make a separate video just about that so I can go into more detail about those. I feel like with clothes, not as big of a deal. I mean, it is, but I feel like it's not as big of a deal as like some of the other things I'm bringing with me. So like I said, I will put links to all the different things that I do have links for in the bio of this video. But that's pretty much it as far as clothes goes. That's clothes goes. With me to Europe. So that's pretty much it, guys. And if you have any questions about any of these items, or you want to know more about how I mentally went through that, then please just message me, comment. And if you want to know more about the techie side or the toiletry side of what's going to be in my pack, then you can wait for the next video that I'm going to be posting about that separately. So comment, like, subscribe. The more support that I get, the more I can post and the more rights that I have within YouTube. So support this journey. I am leaving in 5 days. 5 days, and I'll be flying out of Florida straight into London. So pretty intense, pretty crazy, a lot to do in the next 5 days. But please support my journey, and I will be sharing more content like this. Love you guys.
I want to get away.